So check this out, guys. We're having a lot of intraday action today. The market started off choppy like we covered in my previous video, and since that video, this market has been going ballistic. The S&P's up 0.7% right now, the Russell's up 1.4%, the Nasdaq's up 0.9%, and we have the Dow up over 1% as the VIX is down 4.6%. So we have to break down the market, some stocks, and my thoughts on everything in this video. So hit the like button, subscribe, let me know your thoughts in the comments, join my Patreon, and make sure to get your 5 stocks from Moo. Use my link down below, deposit $100, and you guys could get up to 5 stocks, each of which could be valued up to $3,500. So get your money down below, join the Patreon, and let's talk about what the heck is going on right now. So check it out. Like I said, we started off very choppy today. We got down to about 445 on SPY. That was at about, what, 10 a.m. on the East Coast? Yeah, about 10 a.m. on the East Coast. And from that point, this thing went ballistic, right? 445 to about 451. It rallied 1.3% intraday, and now I'm personally seeing some head and shoulders action. Take a look here. We have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. We are now breaking above the moving averages, which is a very good sign, but we're still under the neckline of the head and shoulders that you guys can see here on the intraday chart. So very, very critical. What is critical for the bulls here is to break 451, which is right by that neckline. From that point, honestly, 450.5 is the neckline. And then above that point, we're probably going to take out the intraday highs from today. So I'm going to put my alert for SPY at about 450. Actually, maybe let's put it at 450.6. That's what I'm going to do right now. So let me do that. Hold up, guys. And at that point, we might be breaking again the neckline. And when it comes to triple Q, let's pop that up. And by the way, it's 2 p.m. right now. So we do have about 2 hours left of action and 2 p.m. on the East Coast, obviously, guys. So take a look. Triple Q, we got the head and shoulders action. We're about to test the neckline right now. Look at this. We have the left shoulder, the head, right? I'm butchering this, but you guys get the idea. Oh my God, I butchered that. But you guys get the point, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline's at about 358.75. So we're about 45 cents under that neckline. So I'm going to put my alert at 358.80, right? If we take that point out, this, in my opinion, can gain momentum. We might take the intraday highs out. We might be back over 360. Who the heck knows? So markets are up right now. They're looking good. Big tech is still kind of in the toilet. Google's down 0.25%. Facebook's down 2.5%, which, mind you, I actually bought more Facebook today. Just a public service announcement. All you guys in my Patreon know that I bought more Facebook today. Those two stocks are red, but actually I shouldn't have said big tech's in the gutter because Amazon's up 1.5%, and we have Apple's probably up as well. Let's see here. Yeah, Apple's up 1.7%. And we have Microsoft. I don't even know. Microsoft's up 1.2. So big tech is a mixed bag right now. We'll put it at that. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you all are finding value in this video. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Why not? If you haven't done so already, all that helps me out in the algorithm. I appreciate you guys as always. Now, let's talk about these oversold stocks. Number one is NetEase. And it's not that oversold in terms of the RSI on the 4-hour chart, but if you pull up the yearly chart, you guys are going to see something crazy. Take a look at this. Inverse head and shoulders on the yearly chart. Very obvious. We have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we're actually today alone up 4.5%, which is nice, back over $100 a share. Now we're above the moving averages on the yearly chart as well as the 4-hour chart, I believe. Let me double check that. Yeah, so this is a very good sign in the short term that NetEase is gaining momentum to the upside. Now, in the very the very next few days here, we're gonna have to watch 105 to 110. This tight window, $5 window, is a resistance. Honestly, it's more between 105 to 107, 108. This $2-3 window is resistance from pretty much all of 2022 so far. So if we break that point, and then going back to that yearly chart on NetEase right here, that is where the right shoulder could really start gaining momentum. And in a perfect world, let's say this played out beautifully, perfect textbook inverse head and shoulders. Where would NetEase end up? It's going to end up anywhere from 130 probably to about 135. That's where I would say this pattern can get us to. Maybe on the lower end, anywhere from 120 to 125. So keep your eyes on NetEase as it is now again gaining momentum above $100. I'm liking it. ZS is another one that I'm personally looking at right now. If you take a look on this 4-hour chart, we're noticing some inverse head and shoulders action as well on this one. Look at that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're now about to test the 180 SMA, which, mind you guys, this has been a sticking point for a couple of months, and we're also noticing we're testing the downwards trend line right now, so this one is not out of the woods yet. Remember, NetEase was above the moving averages. Well, this one is below the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, so I would want to see this, quite honestly, break above 280 to 285, and today alone it's up 3%, so if we have another nice couple of green days or a nice month in general, next couple of weeks, who knows, right? If this breaks 285, that is where it could really start gaining some momentum. So I'm going to put my alert mark is at or above 285. If this, what do we just get? Oh, we got a SPY alert. It broke above. That's nice. ZS, if this breaks out of 285, this inverse head and shoulders could probably complete anywhere from 325 on the higher end. Actually, maybe 330 on the higher end, 320 on the lower end. You know, that is the range of where I think it could ultimately get to. So what do you think about that one? You know, do you like NetEase more or do you like ZS more? Drop me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And one more, guys. We got one more. It is Home Depot. Home Depot is one that it's not okay. It's a little bit ugly looking. I'm not gonna lie to you guys right now. But if we take the neckline out of this head and shoulders, this could turn on a dime. It's that kind of stock where it could break out very quickly, especially on earnings, which, mind you, earnings are in 2 weeks from today. What's today? Tuesday, February 8th. Earnings are on Tuesday, I guess, February 22nd. So, yeah, Home Depot, guys, we have a head and shoulders right now. So, out of all these stocks, this looks pretty bearish. But, again, like I said, if we take that neckline out, which, if you guys take a look, neckline is right around 375 where I put my alert. This might, in the short term, make a move to 400. Maybe break 400. So, that's why I'm watching Home Depot. And another point to make, I should make here is, on the 20-day chart, maybe on the 10-day chart, you might see it a bit better. Home Depot's been actually making higher highs, higher lows. And recently it got hit at 375. That was earlier this month. That was a bit worrisome. I don't know. I don't want to say worrisome, but that was a clearer sign that 375's a resistance, right? We hit that point. We got rejected, got back down to 355. We consolidated for 1, 2, now today, 3 days. And today we're breaking back out. Home Depot is up over 1%. So let's just see if it goes back to test 375. That's another $15 higher from where we are now. And again, if it breaks that point, it might go a lot higher. So those are 3 stocks, guys. NetEase, ticker symbol NTES. We have ZS. And we have good old Home Depot. And I'm getting a lot of alerts right now. What the heck is going on? Are the markets? Yeah, the markets seem to be higher from where we started this video. Let's see if SPY broke the neckline. Oh, look at that, guys. It's breaking the neckline. Real time. This is what we're talking about here. Look at that. The neckline was at 450.5, right? Now we're at 450.8. So the neckline clearly broke. This will, I don't want to say for sure, take the highs out from about an hour ago, but it's going to at least try. So watch out for SPY doing that on the intraday. And on Triple Q, same thing. We're testing the neckline now at 358.80. If this breaks 359, we're probably going 360 plus. So that's it. I'll wrap it up there. Markets are looking very nice today. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe, drop me a comment, and make sure to join my Patreon. Seriously, guys, if you want all my buys, sells, call-outs, morning update videos, more access to me throughout the day, Discord access, all of that's on Patreon, link down below, or you guys can go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. That's the best way that if you guys want to work more, with me, the community, Patreon's a great way to do that. And you could also get 5 stocks from Moomoo, link down below. Use that link, deposit $100. You could get up to 5 stocks, I think, each of which could be valued up to $3,500. Use that link down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.